Hi everybody, welcome to Mel's Crafty Mojo. Today I'm going to show you how to cut poly burlap with a wood burner. There's a few things you're going to need. You will need a cutting mat. You will need a glass cutting board. I got this one at Walmart over where the knives and cutlery are. And you will need your wood burning tool. And again, I either got this one at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. This one works well for me. When you get your wood burning tool, it will come with some different tips. This is the tip that you will see that most people use. The chisel tip, and this is what most people use. Now this tip does work better because it melts much better, but I cut very slow, so I use this little tip. Reminds me of a little painter's spatula, so I use this one, right? And then you will get this little tip, the little rounded tip. As you can see, this one is still new. I don't use this one. And then this little tip. This is a little rounded tip with a point, almost like a pencil. I use this one to cut my poly check mat. This one works really well to cut that for me. But we will get going here. And what I'm going to do, most flower petals are cut to 10 inches. So I just measure out the bottom. I don't worry about lining the whole thing up. If you measure from the bottom over and get your 10-inch mark, that will be fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your 10-inch mark and you're going to go right in between this row of squares. Okay? So you're going to find 2 horizontal strings on that 10-inch mark, and you're just going to cut right in between them. Make sure your wood burner is nice and hot. And let your wood burner do the work. Don't try to force it. Just let your wood burner do the work. And that's it. Alright, we will do one more. I'm going to measure from the bottom. Find your 10-inch mark and go right in between the little squares. And this will help minimize the fraying. Okay, you're not going to get rid of it 100%. Every mesh frays, but this helps minimize it. Alright? And that's how you cut poly burlap with a wood burner. You don't have to worry about if your piece, is kind of wonky. It will straighten out when you go to make your flower petal, and that will be perfect. Alright? Thank you for watching. If you would like to subscribe to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button and the bell. And I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.